Hey guys, it's 4:53 PM Melbourne time, and I'm doing a random now for the Optic Premium Box Set Grade 1. Hopefully we can get one of those top 4 rookie autos, or top 5 essentially, even though all 10 are good. But random is live. Participants, we're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Top newbies. Yoink. Save. Move that one. Over there. I'm going to put clock back up. We're going to teams now. Everybody, use your body. La 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 la. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one. We'll go through the teams in a sec. Okay, teams are Jared Broadbent with Magic, Turdy with the Bucks, Hurley with Wiz, Simon Barr with the Knicks, Wizards Knicks, Birch with Mavericks, Matt Druitt with Nets, Matthew Bull Pistons, Overend Raptors, Charles Pacers, Raymond Dyer Sixers, Lane Pelicans, Shane Hamilton Bulls, Van Sanderson, Wolves Bots Grizz, Van Sanderson Hornets, Matty Jazz, Glenn Bow Blazers, Blake Riley Kings, Lane Warriors, Hurley Suns, Aiden with the Thunder, Lane with the Spurs, Lee with Cavs, Glenn Bow with Rockets, Lane with Nuggets, Paul Cotton with Lakers, Charles with Clippers, Dean Millos with Celtics, Druitt with Hawks, and Blake Riley with Heat, and that's the way it goes.